Do demons exist? One question that I get asked almost on a daily basis is, if the devil and demons don't exist, how do you explain demon possession? The question itself is not even objective. They're wanting me to explain away their belief when they believe very strongly in the idea. It's usually asked as a retort to the idea that evil and the devil is not a part of Kemetic spirituality and most ancient African spiritual systems. I'll answer that question with a question. Why does most of the world not suffer from demon possession? Answer: because they don't believe it. Demon possession comes from people that have a belief in original sin. When one accepts the belief, there is guilt about being human and human action that are deemed sinful. When one sins and doesn't want to accept responsibility and accountability for their actions, then there has to be a way to absolve the mind of responsibility and therefore the guilt of their imagined sin. The creation of demons is necessary within a belief system in which a person strongly believes in a sinful nature of man. Without the heinous Christian doctrine of original sin, there's no need for a demon or devil so powerful that even their idea of God can't control them. So again, how do I explain demons? Answer: because you psychologically have a need to believe in them because of your negative religious programming. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with anyone that will be consciously elevated and vibrationally uplifted by this.